So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. Okay. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. And if you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it for a very long time now. And for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots, and the links are given in the description box for the same. If you have any queries, you can mail us. Okay. Now let's start, Taurus. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Taurus. We have the Page of Cups, the Four of Wands, the Two of Swords. Wow. There's love, there's desire, but they feel confused. Okay. They are on the crossroads regarding what is going to happen next in the situation. Even if there is love from their side, even if there is a desire to convert this love into something meaningful, they're still feeling blocked in the situation. Either you have blocked them or there is a blockage that they are kind of facing within themselves regarding the situation, but they're on the crossroads and they're not able to understand what they should do in order to get back to the uh, situation, get back to you, get back to the relationship like maybe as it used to be at some point of time. But there's love, there's a desire, and there is passion, so everything is there, but they're not able to see the clear picture of the future, and they're not able to understand how they can proceed in this direction. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? Mm-hmm. We have the Strength card, the Hermit. Oh my god, the High Priestess. This is, I mean, maybe in the history of tarot, till now, till in my like my experience, I have never seen these three cards together where this person is like slapping on my face and telling me that I don't want to talk to Taurus. I don't. Even if I love them, even if I have feelings for them, I just don't want to talk to Taurus. I just want to keep my energies, my mouth, and everything shut, because I just don't know how to connect with Taurus. I don't know how they're going to react. I have my own fears, I have my own experiences, and my intuition is also telling me not to talk to Taurus right now at this present moment. Their intention is to keep their mouth shut and energies down and work on themselves. Okay. They literally slapped on my face today. Like, tell them, Taurus, tell the Taurus bitches, I don't want to talk to them. Not because I hate them or something, because I don't know. Okay. It's like self-created blockages and the real ones as well. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 1st of December, Taurus. We have the Seven of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Hanged Man. No action whatsoever from this person's side. They're just trying to clear their head. They're just trying to let go of the confusion, emotional confusion, everything that they're going through because of the situation. They're just trying to drop the situation and surrender to the divine. They're in this energy of, if this is meant to be between me and Taurus, we guys are going to reconnect again in this lifetime. That is for sure. If not, I am letting go of Taurus. I am not going to even bother them, even look at them, even think about them. Nothing. I am just surrendering to the divine, just watching everything from a distance. Their perception is changing, their energies are shifting, their view is changing regarding the situation, regarding you, but they're refusing to open up, or they're refusing to say or do anything about the situation whatsoever. They're like, nope, no, don't go in that direction. Guidance for you, King of Swords. Okay, stay in your power, Taurus. If you cut this person out of your life, stay in your power, and don't go back there. If they are the one who cut you out of their life, then also stay in your power and don't let this person's energy of not taking any kind of initiative towards you hinder your progress in your personal life, right? So even if they're coming or not coming, that should not stop your life in any way, right? So in this case, you have to be very very practical that your life is going to your life is going to be there after this person is not going to be there. With this person also or without this person, the show is going to go on. The show must go on, simple, right? This is what the universe wants me to tell you, Taurus, that the show must go on with or without this person in your life. Yeah, anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.